afternoon, folks. Today Sarah is coming over to make some takoyaki, and I've been talking to her about, you know, wanting to buy the Bruno's Hot Plate that she has, and we just thought it would be really nice to just test out the Bruno's Hot Plate. Some like very beautiful, very aesthetic, but quite expensive hot plate that I really have been eyeing on. So I really just want to be able to test it out for myself before I spend that money. And that's an excuse to do a kind of like a Korean barbecue thing over at my place. And the good thing about the Bruno's Hot Pot is that it comes together with this like takoyaki pan thing. So we are attempting to make takoyaki. It's the mushroom stock that I'm attempting to make. I just put like dried mushroom and I put them in a pot to kind of steep it for about 10-15 minutes. 안녕하세요. 애쉬 방에서 자요. 어디서? 매티 게임. Guilty. Someone is playing games while 2 more minutes. Terrible. Hi. Sarah's here. Say hi. Hey, baby.
This not fun for that much soup sauce. Pizza?
Doesn't seem right there.
It looks...
Then I drink soup there.
Yeah, it's actually quite like
sunny. But we'll see.
I don't know what kind of takoyaki you'll be eating.
Add 1 egg, 1/3 teaspoon of soy sauce.
The heck is a 1/3 teaspoon?
Oh my god.
What's happening?
Okay, so the recipe comes with 3 eggs.
2 eggs, large egg.
Yeah, the egg is the big, like the biggest egg. Okay, let's just do like that first, then we see, okay?
Okay, then we make another batch. Yeah.
Because I don't know how.
Must use the toothpick and like that.
Then you do it later?
Hey.
You do it, yeah? He's practicing how to do it. We shall see whether or not he fails or he passes later, okay?
Okay now.
Am I supposed to...
Yeah, just dump it in.
dump it. We're too big already.
Yeah, I think the
See, did we even look at the instructions online?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Nope.
Try.
You're gonna fail. It's not even cooked yet. It's not supposed to be so watery.
It is. Trust me. Ooh, it works. It will be the nicest, okay?
Ajuma, bali.
What, Bali?
Okay.
Okay, let's try it.
Yeah, I think I add more oil.
It's hollow.
It's not bad. How is the takoyaki made by me? Matai's gonna make the next one.
Okay.
Why is your face like that?
Like what?
You're like pouting.
Am I faulting?
Yeah. You wanna criticize me, but okay, I think he'll do well actually.
You want to read the instructions?
Yeah, he wanna read the instructions.
Oh shit. Actually, it's like that. Then it's always overflowing, then they will hold it in.
What is this?
Pancake.
Pancake. I'm sure it's not part of your menu. Let's eat it. What do you think of your...
I think it's the same.
But he added cheese and I didn't, so I won.
But yours is a lot more hollow.
Fine. D-Day. So today we are going live and from my Dyson Pra.L because I'm gonna be doing some demo, and I am just going through my scripts because there were some changes yesterday. Honestly, live streams are so stressful. There's a lot of prep work that goes into it. If I could show you all how many people have been working on this live stream, literally blew my mind. It's a wrap!
Yeah!
Woo!
Check this vlog out, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, can I just tell you something?
What you want to say?
She's a good food show host.
Hey, thank you. Please have me on Food King.
But the way she describes food, right, and that it was quite legit. Just now.
I was very
Legit?
surprised. No, I can tell the legitimacy also.
Yes.
But I honestly like to eat lah, so that's
Yeah. So we will recruit you soon.
You guys are witnesses, yeah? We are heading for our Korean intermediate exam right now. Are you nervous? Yeah, that's because you're really good at studying. I am nervous. Even though I did try to like revise, I only managed to do it at the start of the week, and now it's the end of the week. So I haven't actually had time and I kind of forgot a bunch of things already. Wish me luck! olive oil. And my brains are fried. I think I got a lot wrong. No! Morning! So last night we went to Hydra for the first time since circuit breaker and I really loved it. I'm so happy. So for me, I'm the kind of person that likes to drink the mala soup. And the mala soup is super salty, so my face is so puffy today. My eye bags last morning. I'm gonna do a face mask, and yesterday I received some of these AHC masks, so thought I would just kind of put them to the test. Looking for something that is hydrating. Oh damn. This tells me that I should be putting it in the fridge, but just gonna use it anyway. It's a Saturday today and a pair of my good friends are actually getting proposed today, so I'm excited. We have been planning this for a long time, but before that I got some work to do, so let's go. Someone's home for a facial. Oh, is that coffee for me? Yay! Ah, the Bahru Bakery! Just a disclaimer, he doesn't usually do this, right?
No.
What? No. Thank you. Well, the essence is actually like jelly-ish. I will let you guys know after the essences seep into the skin, because a lot of the times, like sheet masks, they look good, they make you feel good and make you feel like your skin is brighter and more hydrated for like the first 1 hour, but after that your skin just goes back to normal. So my test for a sheet mask is usually like after 30 minutes or so. So I'll let you guys know. So happy. We even have a pastry. So this is our favorite pastry called Amann. Looks like this. I'm just gonna bite into it. I'm not gonna wait for Matt. I'm so easily satisfied. My friends know that food is the way to my heart. Not anything else. Okay, of course, bubble tea, Kinder Bueno. I just realized I listed them all food. Okay, mask update. I would say it is indeed really hydrating. You can see my skin is really nice and plump. Overall brighter as well, but it does leave a little bit of a sticky residue. I feel like if you really want to try this out, it would be better to use it at night before bed because it is pretty rich. If I'm using it at night, you know, I wouldn't really mind. In fact, I would love it that it's extra rich and extra like hydrated before I go to bed, so that the next morning I wake up, I'll have nice skin. So the life of all girlfriends and wives. Fine, I'll go and have fun by myself. Bye. I'm gonna go and shower and just take my time to get ready because it's the weekend and I just want to relax and just pamper myself. What I like to do is just take my time to really do my hair, my skincare, my makeup properly. Like I mentioned today, 2 of my closest friends are being proposed to, or rather doing a proposal, and I'm very excited. So I don't know how much I can film later on, but this is actually my first time being so involved in the entire planning of the proposal. Praying that everything will go well and that she doesn't know anything. Okay, personally for me, I'm the kind that I like my proposal to be a surprise. I really want to make it like a surprise for her. So, wish me luck. Delivery! This one's from a brand I've never seen before, but I love the aesthetic of it. It's so beautiful. And it's from Celine. I think these are like cream puffs again. Yay! I'm gonna bring them over for the party tonight. So I'm currently on the second last episode on It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Feeling a bit bittersweet because every time I'm so invested in a drama, and when it ends, like I just feel like suddenly I'm freed up a lot of time. I get really attached to the show and I feel really sad. I'm not like continuing to watch the show anymore. I feel like a part of my lifestyle is missing. So usually that's when I start to look for a new drama, or shortly before that I will already be like watching kind of like 2 dramas. I'll be 3/4 into one drama and I'll start another drama so that it'll be a smooth transition for me. I know I'm very excited. But let me know if you guys are like that as well. So right now I am definitely on the hunt for a new drama. I did hear quite a bit of things about this show called To All the Boys Who Loved Me. I think it's by the girl from She Was Pretty. I really like her. She's super funny. Planning to start watching that. Have you guys started watching that? I don't know. Like, let me know in the comments box down below if you have any recommendations for me. Base done. So ready. Wearing my MongxLovet dress today. I really love the cut of this dress, if I can say so myself, because I made it. But I really like how flattering it is, and I kind of intentionally made this part slightly more curved so that it's a lot more, I guess, different from other people. And it's actually Skorts. So you don't have to worry about Zouk or anything. And I love dresses with pants inside because I can feel a lot more comfortable and I can twirl around. Battery stove. What we're having for lunch. Lasagna.
Ow!
Is it annoying? Is it annoying? It's just like how you annoy me every day.
I'm green too.
Yeah, but you annoy me in many different ways. Now that the camera is on, he can't do anything to me. But I'm sure when the camera is off, he's gonna attack me and tickle me.
Tickle is attack.
Yes, tickling is attacking. So I'm gonna keep the camera on to protect myself. So bored. I was thinking I'm gonna try and make muachee by myself. So I used to make these with my mom using the microwave with only like 2 or 3 ingredients. I'm just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Super simple. Glutinous rice flour with water in a 1 to 1.2 ratio. Bit of oil. If you have shallot oil, that'd be great. And then pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I don't know if it's too good to be true, to be honest. It seems too easy. So I'm just kind of monitoring. Ooh, it looks like it's doing pretty well. 1 more minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is what I got. I don't know. I think I put too little. Gonna be making the peanut powder. So this one already has sugar inside, but I should try it and see if it's sweet enough. Very sweet. Looks not bad, but a bit soft. How's it? Nice? 진짜?
A bit soft, but nice.
Soft, right? I don't know what should I do to make it tougher. Maybe I'll leave it to sit out for a while. Very soft. Not bad. I'm gonna do another batch now. That was that. The muachee turned out actually a bit soft, and the second batch I put less water, but it was still really soft, so I don't really know what went wrong. But it was still yummy nonetheless, and we finished it. Lately Ash hasn't been feeling very well, so we have been just thinking of ways to make him eat more because he hasn't been eating well, and we went to the vet. Pretty much says that he is old and he has constipation. He's on medication, but he's still not really getting better, and it's been 3 days now. Quite a stressful time because especially with his age, he's like 13 years old. We know that, you know, he's pretty old. Pray for us, guys. Look at this hair. And we have the final look. So nice. I'm proud. Clara is so pretty. Then the other side. And then this is her hair at the back.
Is it on?
Yeah, it is on.
Yeah.
Oh my god! We're trying out this new cafe. It's called Fuel Plus because it's on purple. Every time, if I see truffle fries on the menu, I can't pass up on it. And I'm glad I got people to share with me today. Hey Zouk, let's share with me. Oh, thank you so much. There's a lot of food for 5 girls. Oh no. Hot night. These are our leftover beauty in a pot broths that we tap out home. I am so full. I'm having a little me time with this Zouk cocktail dipping. Cheers. 맛있겠다. 이거는 부대찌개예요. Today's outfit. Ta-da! I'm wearing pomelo and the shorts are from MongxLovet. Right now I'm getting ready for a live stream. We are heading down to a studio to do it today. So yeah, just getting my hair and makeup ready. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm home. So tonight I'm just gonna get ready, go and charge all of my cameras and everything because tomorrow is a studio day. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know, like nowadays my vlogs have been just like a pile of random things like just added together, but I hope, you know, I can show you guys a little bit more about my life and, you know, the things I actually do. Yeah, which is actually really boring, so I'm really sorry because I don't know, this is just my life. I just don't do very interesting things, I realize. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog nevertheless, and I hope you're staying safe, staying well, eating well, sleeping well, getting lots of rest, and doing the things that you've always wanted to do. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying yourself, and I'll see you in my next one.